Using organic nutrient solutions for hydroponic herbs. Understanding hydroponic farming. Definition and overview. Hydroponics, soil-less plant cultivation using mineral nutrient solutions in water. Controlled environment ensures efficient nutrient absorption and root development. Accelerates herb growth and improves yield within compact indoor setups. Benefits of hydroponic farming. Advantages over traditional farming. Increased plant growth, direct nutrient access boosts growth rates. Water conservation, uses significantly less water than soil farming. Controlled environmental factors, temperature, humidity, and light precisely managed. Minimized pests and diseases, absence of soil reduces common pests and diseases. Ideal herbs for hydroponic cultivation. Top herbs suited for hydroponics. Basil, cilantro, mint, parsley thrive in soil-less environments. Controlled conditions enhance flavor and aroma, perfect for culinary use. Selecting organic nutrient solutions. Types of organic nutrients. Seaweed extracts, fish emulsion, compost tea, natural, sustainable options. Rich in essential macro and micronutrients for herb vitality. Role of beneficial microbes. Mycorrhizal fungi and rhizobacteria enhance nutrient uptake and plant health. Promote resilience to environmental stress. Application of organic nutrient solutions. Effective application techniques. Proper nutrient monitoring, use quality kits to maintain optimal nutrient balance. Strategic dilution, tailor nutrient levels for different herbs and growth stages. Seasonal adjustments, adapt nutrient applications as per herb growth cycles. Optimizing nutrient uptake. Enhancing root zone and nutrient absorption. Maintain aeration and oxygenation for efficient uptake. pH balance management, critical for maximizing nutrient availability. Foliar feeding, complements root feeding by absorbing nutrients through leaves. Advanced techniques for flavor enhancement. Custom nutrient formulations and application. Tailor formulations for specific herbs to boost growth and flavor. Implement stress-induced methods to enhance aromatic qualities. Harvest timing, align nutrient strategies with optimal harvest periods for best flavor. Maintaining healthy hydroponic herbs. Pest control and disease management. Use organic methods to deter pests and maintain a sterile environment. Regular inspections to catch and address issues early. Balancing pH and EC levels. Adjust pH and monitor EC to support healthy root development and vibrant growth.